Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
New Dr. Pepper and Cream Soda in both regular and diet varieties will be out March 2020. Due to the added vanilla flavor, these aren't as strong on the classic Dr. Pepper taste. Therefore, the flavor here is much less polarizing than original Dr. Pepper. I actually like this flavor, unlike the original, the 9th of October 2019.
Take our lead.
Dr. Pepper, 7-Up still exists as a trademark and brand name as of 2020. On July 9, 2018, Keurig acquired the Dr. Pepper Snapple Group in an $18.7 billion deal. The combined company was renamed Keurig Dr. Pepper, and began trading publicly again on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker KDP.
Take our lead.
Dr. Pepper. Of all the major soft drink brands in America, Dr. Pepper is the oldest. The drink was invented by pharmacist Charles Alderton in 1885 at Morrison's Old Corner Drug Store in Waco, Texas. The U.S. Patent Office recognizes December 1, 1885 as the first time Dr. Pepper was sold.
Take our lead.
Aside from caffeine, the amount of sugar in soda may also cause diarrhea. If you overwhelm your body with sugar, you will get diarrhea. Some sugary sodas also contain high fructose corn syrup, which is a combination of fructose and dextrose, according to the Mayo Clinic. You may have trouble digesting fructose. 17 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
That was the origin of the advertising slogan, "Drink a bite to eat at 10, 2, and 4, which served as the Dr. Pepper slogan for many years. When Dr. Pepper was first introduced, the product contained no caffeine or cocaine. Though both substances were legal at the time, some researchers considered them dangerous.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.